He-Man. Masters of the Universe Masterverse. This is a new line of comic books. This is the first issue, which I read, and I'm excited to talk about it. Stay tuned for Friday's video. I will be reviewing Darkman 3, and tomorrow I'll have a haul video up showing up some of the new comics I got and other things. So stay tuned for that video. But for right now, we are going to talk about He-Man and the Masters of the Masterverse. So this is a really neat comic book because if you can see the cover here, we got various He-Mans. I think this is the one from 2003. It might be the original. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what this He-Man is. This one's from the newer Netflix kids show reboot, because there was a reboot, basically one aimed more at kids and one aimed more at adults. And the one aimed at more at adults was a continuation of the original that written by Kevin Smith. So this is the kids show reboot. I think this one's the 2003 one. I didn't really watch that show, and I think this is supposed to be the Kevin Smith continuation of the original, because that Skeletor looks a lot like Skeletor. That looks 2003 Beastman. There's Evil. Yeah, all these ones look like from the newer Netflix stuff. So this is a really neat comic series that I think is going to be really cool to see how this develops. This first issue, there isn't a lot here. Like, most of this is just setting up that there is a Masterverse. So, like, we get different art styles here showing different parts of the universe. Like, these kind of goofy, like, I don't know what you call this, like, news strip, like, comic strip stuff, comics, Master of the Universe stuff. I like the art there. But then you get, and you get this one, which is more like, I don't know what you call this, more like classic He-Man, I guess. There's like some different art styles and different things, exploring different sides to the character. So there's different He-Mans, and so it's just kind of set up that there is like a multiverse of different He-Mans and stuff, and different versions of Eternia and stuff, which is interesting. But it's not really more than, it's just kind of your introductory piece. And the art's really cool, and it's exciting to see maybe how these other characters are going to collide, but it hasn't really shown us that yet. It's just really hey, we're dealing with a multiverse. We'll see how that develops and grows to be interesting. But yeah, this is a pretty cool read. The trade paperback comes out in September, but this is just issue number 1. Issue number 2 comes out in a couple weeks. I will be talking about that. But yeah, very cool comic book line. If you're a He-Man fan, I feel like it's really cool to be a He-Man fan, which clearly I'm a He-Man fan. If you cannot see my Battle Cat behind me there. Yeah, I got He-Man on top of my Battle Cat behind me. But yeah, I clearly love He-Man. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.